So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So let's prepare this yummy and delicious delicacy, guys. This is one of Ghana's popular, very affordable food or meal. This is called oil rice or Angwamo. It's very delicious and yummy. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to prepare this yummy and delicious delicacy. So guys, to begin, I have my oil on the fire. So I'm going to be adding slicing my onion. So guys, I didn't have salted tilapia fish. I didn't have it, so I'm going to be using only my onion, and also at some point I'm going to be adding corned beef to take this rice to the next level. Before they used to say this rice was for poor people, but now no, it's not for the poor people. Even the rich also eat oil rice, guys. This rice, it depends what you add to your rice, your oil rice. You can make it and eat it like raw. That's the reason why people say it's for the poor. But guys, now it's not for the poor. No. Oil rice is not for the poor, it's for everyone now. This is one of Ghana's most popular. This is mostly eaten in the afternoon. Like afternoon, that's when it's being eaten. So as you can see, I have my onion. So here I'm frying the onion. So after frying the onion for some time, as you can see, the onion is turning brown. And guys, I'm going to be adding corned beef. This will take it to the next level. That's the reason I'm saying it's not for the poor. No, oil rice is not for the poor. That was the mindset before, but not now. So guys, as you can see, our onions is doing very good. This is how I like it. I like it very brown. I know some people doesn't like, so you cook it or you fry your onion to the taste or to how you want it. But with me, this is how I like it. So after, I'm going to be adding corned beef at some point. So guys, this day I didn't know what to prepare. So I just jump into the kitchen and I say, okay, I have this corned beef in the house. I have rice, I have onions, I have everything. So why don't I make oil rice? And then guys, this rice was so delicious. So this is me adding my corned beef. So I didn't add too much because my husband doesn't like too much of this beef thing. So I didn't add too much. So as you can see here, I'm going to start using my spatula to just break it up and allow it fry. We are going to allow the corned beef fry. So as you can see, so after you mix it and you allow it fry, just leave it to fry. Or maybe I added a little bit of water to loosen it because I didn't like the chunks. So as you can see, it's looking so beautiful, guys. This rice was so delicious. So guys, at this point we are going to be adding our rice. So you can use any rice of your choice. So I've washed my rice very well, and here I'm going to add my rice. So after, I'm going to stay and then allow the rice to cook. This is very simple. It's the simplest rice to cook. It's very simple. Let me say, it's very simple. Oil rice is very simple to cook. So at this point we are done adding our rice. So I'm going to still add some salt, and then please make sure you check your salt, the salt before you add more, because corned beef has salt. So make sure you check it before you add salt. So as you can see, I've added salt, and at this point I have boiling water. Make sure you use boiling water to help cook faster. Don't use normal water. Never use normal water to cook your rice. Instead, use hot water to help cook it faster. So this is hot water that I'm adding. And also, don't add too much. I don't like too much oil, so I didn't add a lot of oil. So at this point, you're going to stir, and then you are going to allow it to cook. Guys, this rice was so delicious. But guys, the only thing was that the other things that I added, I couldn't video it. The plantain, the fried plantain, the egg that I fried, the other things I couldn't video it because my daughter was disturbing me. So guys, at this point, this is the first check here. As you can see, our rice is doing well. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to stir and then cover it for it to cook. You're going to cook until the rice is very soft. To your taste, to how you want your rice. Some people want their rice to become very soft, so depending on how you want your rice. So you are going to be making some pepper sauce. This is we are going to just blend pepper, onions, that's it, and tomatoes. That's it. You are not going to be frying it. This is how we eat Angwamo or oil rice here in Ghana. Yeah, you don't add any, you don't fry this. I know some people will fry this here. So you have your onions, your pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper, your tomatoes, and then you add salt, and then you blend it, and that's it. Yeah, you take your rice and you add the pepper sauce, and you add other things that you want to add, and then you enjoy it. So this is me blending. So at this point I was done blending. So my husband likes onions, so I'm going to put onion on the side. By me, I hate onions. No, I don't like onion. So I'm going to be slicing some onion on the side. Yeah, so I will take from that side for him. Yeah, so me, I don't like onions. Anything like raw onions, I don't like it. Yeah, so this is me slicing the onion. Please, if you know you are not good with this method that I'm doing, use your chopping board. Use your chopping board. Yeah, with me, I'm used to this because back home in Ghana there was no chopping board, so you use your hand to do this. Yeah, so at this point you're going to set this aside, and here I had to make hot chocolate for the boss. Yeah, madam of the house. You had to make chocolate. At this point she was awake, so I had to make chocolate for her, guys, and that's it. So let's check on our rice. Yeah, this is the second check here. Let's see how our rice is doing, guys. This is so beautiful, guys. This rice, if you have never tasted oil rice, guys, use this method and prepare oil rice, and guys, you will love this. Yeah, this will be one of your favorites. Yeah, so here at this point our rice was very strong, so I'm going to add some water, and then I'm going to cover it with this this I don't know, this this plastic bag to allow it to cook. I know people say this is not good, but guys, I know it's not good, but what can we do? Sometimes there's nothing you can do. You want the rice to cook very well. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using here. So at this point we came to check on it again, and guys, at this point our rice is almost done yet. Our rice is doing very well. So at some point I think my salt wasn't enough, so I'm going to be adding salt here. So guys, it's better to add little salt than to add a lot of salt, then at the end your food will become salty. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding salt. I think at some point I added salt. Yeah, so let's see if yes, I added some salt. So I added hot water to salt, and then I'm going to just pour it or sprinkle on this rice as you see me doing here. And then I'm going to stay and cover it here. This is how you do it if you're cooking rice and you want to add more salt. This is how you're going to do it here. So at this point our rice is done. Yeah, it's almost done here. So we are going to stir it, and guys, our rice is doing very well. So we are going to be serving our rice here. So guys, depending on what you want, you can add whatever you want here. At this point our rice is ready to be eaten here. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share, like, and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from. Guys, at this point our rice is ready to be enjoyed, guys. So I had this with all this mede. Can you see? Thank you for watching. Bye.